Presentation of GMG Ideology by Vitalis Anigbo, Group 2, Batch 7. My name is Mr. Vitalis Anigbo, an ordinary participant of GMG. I am presently in the Gather School, Group 2, Batch 7. I am here to talk about the ideology of Green Mavro Group Community, GMG. What is GMG? GMG is a global community of people providing each other financial help. It is a peer-to-peer system that gives a technical platform which helps millions of participants worldwide to connect those who need help to those who are ready to provide help for free. Green Mavro is not a bank, not a company, not online business, nor an investment. GMG does not have a central account where all the system money is stored, which it can easily be stolen from. Participants send money directly to each other's account without any intermediaries. How does GMG work? GMG is a mutual aid community where people give financial help to each other. They transfer money directly to each other from one bank account to another without any condition. In GMG, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. There are no lenders and no debtors. It is simple. One participant asks for help and the other provides help. All that GMG needs from its participants is A, to be kind, honest, and sincere to one another. To provide financial assistance when you are able to do it. To get financial assistance when you need it. How do we provide help and receive help? There are two strong buttons in your PO personal office. The provide help, which means to give financial assistance. And the second is get help, which means to ask for financial assistance. You receive 30% per month of each help you provide. If, for example, you provide help of 200,000, you will receive 200,000 Mavros in Nigerian currency in your PO. Your Mavros grow 30% per month until the time you request for get help. After 1 month, you can then get help and receive 260,000 Naira, which is 30% growth. Rules of GMG. In GMG, participants are only allowed to have one account. Multiple accounts are prohibited. You must be honest and fair to all. Participants are responsible for own accounts. You must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. Enough to obey GMG ideology of helping each other. Participants must stick to GMG ideology in order to obtain financial freedom. Benefits of GMG. After you provide help, you can get 30% growth per month from the amount you provided. You can get registration bonus, which ranges from $20 to $100 for first help you provided after registration. Participants are also receive 10% referral bonus from the amount of contribution made by each new member you invited. Participants also receive old Mavro difference of 10% from every amount provided. If you are a guider, you receive 2.5% from your first level, 3.5% from your second level, 2% from your third level, and 1% from your fourth level. After receiving help, if you make a video with your face and voice to confirm your successful withdrawal, you will get 5% of the total amount received. If you make a video to confirm the withdrawal without your face on it, you will get 1% of the total amount received. Guiders bonus. Guiders of GMG community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guider can have his own leader whose rank is even higher. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. First level, 2.5%. Second level, 3.5%. Third level, 2%. And the fourth level, 1%. Thank you. Together, we change the world.